Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Call of Duty Cold War campaign on PS5. First, ensure your game is fully installed and updated on your PlayStation 5. From the main menu, simply select the campaign option to begin your journey. Take a moment to customize your difficulty and control settings to match your preferred playstyle, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience from the start. As you dive into the campaign, pay close attention to your mission objectives, which will guide you through each thrilling scenario. Your minimap is a crucial tool for locating enemies and understanding your surroundings. Remember to interact with various objects and collect intel throughout the levels. These actions are key to uncovering the full narrative and progressing through the story. Mastering combat is essential for success in the Cold War campaign. Always prioritize using cover to protect yourself from incoming fire and to safely reload your weapons. Don't hesitate to try out various weapons you find. Discovering your favorite loadout can significantly improve your effectiveness. Additionally, strategically deploy tactical equipment such as grenades to manage groups of enemies. The Cold War campaign offers more than just intense action. Your choices truly matter. Throughout the story, the decisions you make and the dialogue options you select can influence the narrative's direction and even lead to different endings. This encourages replaying missions and the entire campaign to explore alternative paths, uncover hidden secrets, and experience the full depth of the story.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.